We'll take one more reference. I will use this. It worked. Bill succeeded. And if you see, the migration has come up. I really see migrations. It came up here. Okay, it was the I think the what is the not this one, the SQL Server string that you are using? Oh, I did it there. No, okay. Let's try this way also. Okay, I did it in .NET API. We'll do in here. Shell 1. This is because I already have this one also succeeded. Okay, Jignesh, can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, so first, for me here it worked. Okay, so I would ask you to do this first. Okay, so here also it is working, but the problem is I already have the context, so it is not allowing me to do. If you see my package manager console, so this is my second one. I'm doing a duplicate add migration initial in the member.data, but it says that more than 1 db context because I have already created 1 db context in the other one. Okay, so that is here. So I have done the user db context has already been created. So it is not doing the duplicate. Okay. But this one got created when I did it in the .NET Core. It got created. So two things first. Okay. Um, First, what I want you to try is so in the member.data that you have the user DB context. No, double check that if you are having the server connection string like this, not this one. Where is that? This one only. No. So just check if you are having the one like this. Else, just replace it with your correct. See, your database name should be correct. See, this is my demand forecasting means I have the database here, demand forecasting. It should be right. Only then it will be able to come here and create. No, see, I have done the migration. What was the table name? We have to do the update database that we will tell you. Okay, So you should be able to connect with the database. That's the first thing. Only if you are able to connect with the database, then it will be able to create the migrations, which means the connection between the database and your code will be established. Okay, first thing. So be sure that this is right. Okay. So, but first try that. First, after doing that, do the add migration and see if you're able to get. So add dash migration. I will give you that also again. Add sorry add dash migration space, give some name. Okay, some name. Okay,
Okay.
that's first thing you need to try today. Second, okay, still if it is not working means do one more thing in your .NET core one. Okay, create a model class. Okay, call model
Okay.
folder. Create the same to your model and your db context, both you add it here. Okay, you both you do it here. When you're doing it in .NET core, you can just do the same, like you can have the connection string being given here itself, but I did something differently. What I did was no, you don't need to do this also. What I did was, you can go to your program.cs. In the builder service, under builder service, add these two lines. I will tell
Okay.
you what these two lines are. Okay, basically this is dependency injection. Okay, it's lazy loading. It will connect to the database whenever it wants. Only when it wants, it will connect to the database. So we give it here. Builder.service.add db context means it will connect to this service whenever it wants. Okay. Um, so here also you should give the migration correctly, but I haven't given it. You should give it correctly. Okay. I did not give the right migration. See, it's demand forecast, but I gave the wrong migration there. But you should correct it. Okay,
Okay.
this you should do rightly. Do it. Okay, first. Then if add two lines, that's all. After that, run the migration for having your .NET Core one. Okay. So in the package manager console, select core here. Okay, that's all. Okay, and do the migration. Okay,
Okay.
so that is the thing. Any questions on that?
No.
uh, okay, so after that what you need to do is update database. I think this will throw me an error, but I will uh, try it, because my migration got created with the wrong oh, it succeeded. Okay. Done. It says done, so I should check. mm, See, user master, our table got created, no?
Okay.
That's all. This is entity framework, first of all. Okay, this is how you create a connection with your database. Okay,
Okay.
so okay, I want you to try this today, and you, you have this one. You just try it here. If you do not get it, just try do that here itself. Okay,
Okay.
okay. So how do you? Okay, then how do you use the uh, what is that? Um, then how do you use the okay, now we have the entity framework connection. We have established the connection. We have the user master also. I want to get data from the user master. That's what we want to do, no? So let's say I want to get the list. Sorry, list user master. Okay, I have created the list. Okay, here everything is linked to. That's all. Okay, nothing else. Okay, so how do you get the data from an database? Okay, see, until now we created everything as model, everything now. So what you do in MVC, basically you do a connection to the database, get the data into your model, no? After that, how do you send the data to your front and everything? You work with model, no? That's all, right?
Yes.
Only that you need to do here. That's all. Only that. Now you have done with migration, everything. You have to work with model alone. Your connection getting data and all, it will do. Let's say, see, users. Okay, I want user master data. Okay, users. Okay, what I have to do is I am going to do a DB context. Okay, we'll add it. Actually, we have to create something. Missed it. I'll do that. Mm, Before doing that, we have to create a DB context. That is very important. See, this I have to do it. Else it won't. Yeah. And this is repository only, no? Mm, Inside this, I have to do. Also user DB context, no? And because you need to call what is your user masters. Okay, what I'm doing is basically I'm creating an object for my user DB context. Okay, this user DB context, and this user DB context only has my user master. No, see, basically what happens here is when you create a connection, you are doing you're creating a DB context class. No, your migration is what that creates the connection with your database. Okay, this creates the connection with your database. So see, user DB context and your initial. This initial is what that, see, this is what that creates that particular table column, and it brings the data from your database to your code. See, it defines everything. See, use master is your table name. It has given a primary key constraint name also. See, it has mentioned all your column details, everything. So your migration defines your table, it brings your table details. So your user, so it brings your table details and your table data, and we create a db set. No, this db set will store the table data. So wherever you want to work with that data, you should just call the db context and just a db context dot user master, whichever table you want to work, and it will work. Do a to list. That's all. Now done. Users sorry, dot, because we are returning to a list, no? Because it wants members, no? Mm, this you have to change it to user master, because we are returning user master, but what we are expected to return is this one. I will change it. 1 second. 1 second. We can change that quickly. User master. Come here. This is also user master. That's all. See, this is how you return a data. That's all. This is HTML. Here you can do many things. It's like you can do anything here. Like this is how you take a data from your database. Okay, that's all. Let's do something. We'll insert some data and um, do that. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so insert into user master, user ID, comma first name, comma name, comma middle name, values. User ID is an identity column, so you don't need to insert anything. So I'll put first name as uh, Brad. Um, then give an empty string. Okay, and we'll insert few data like this. Insert three data on plus add all segment. I'll insert this. Now your table has three data. See, your table has three data. Now let's run this. So, oh, yeah, I'm not calling anything, no controllers. So get all members. I should call. Uh, I should create an. Mm, oh, sorry. Okay, I want to create this one only. Hmm. So in my controller, I want to create this one, but here it is I member friends. Okay. Mm, list user master user. I want to call dot get all member. Get all member only, no? This one get all member. Hmm. User master generic list. What is the member dot data dot model. I am getting this error. Right. Why should I get this error? Basically, I should not get this error. Both are same, no? System collection generic dot list to system collection generic dot list. Member data dot model dot user model. But why I am getting this? see. Hmm, why I'm getting this one? User master only, no? Okay, correct. Only we are returning list of cannot implicitly convert. Okay, member dot data dot model dot user master. What is this user master? Hmm?
Okay, you define I member, right? I think.
Oh, I have. I don't know. I have. I'm missing something, and I cannot recognize what I am. What I have missed. It says it cannot convert to list.
Actually, above you define I member.
Yeah, I have member. I defined. No.
Okay, and in that we have created user, right?
Yeah, I have it.
Okay.
I have it. Something I'm missing. It says. See, this one is very weird. It says cannot convert system.collection.generic.list to system.collection.generic.list. So both are same, no? That's what
Yes.
I am not understanding. There's something that is missing, and I am not understanding. Something is missing. I mm, what it is missing is what I am not getting. To try this at least. Okay, let's do this. Let's try this way. No. Okay, something is not right in my system, but yours is working now. You are able to get into the repository now. In your
Okay.
yeah, in yours from here you are able to get into the repository now.
Yes. Yes.
Actually, we were able to do. We were working on that. Yeah, so that is fine. So you do the migration and just do this. You just do the migration. If you want, you can just add this and see. Just calling the data context, DB context, and the table, and try to get the data from there. But yeah, you just try doing that and let me know. See, you have to do the add migration, then you have to do the update migration. Only if you do the update migration, okay, data will update database. Update database. After you do the add migration and see the data, see the migration done successfully, do an update migration. See, update database. So when you do an update database, you should see the table in your database. Okay,
Okay.
after which you do the query. Okay, you just replace previously you were just returning from this list, no, you just replace that with this. I have to do add in a context, uh, and then but yeah, first finish the migration. We'll see this one. This is very small. You just need to know how to add data, delete data, update data, insert is add, and query data. That's all. The everything is very simple. We'll see that alone. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, no? Yeah. So we'll see that tomorrow. I'll see. There is something not right here. But everything is working fine, but something is not right. I don't know what. Maybe we'll put a tool and then true. Okay. Here also I'll put tool. Mm, see if do void. That's better. Why these much things? Void. um, Void. There's no need of return itself. Okay, so done. Okay, there is some issue in my system only. Okay, it's something is wrong. I will try fix that. But yeah, you do the migration and if you want, you can try the query part. What I have written here, you can try this. I will just put this also. Try and let me know if you can get it.
Okay.
We'll see tomorrow. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, Jignesh. Yeah.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.